I'm Vasil Edwards. This is my home, and we're located in Sherman Oaks Hills. I am an Airbnb host. I've been doing this for about 4 or 5 years now. One thing I noticed though, my utility bills got extremely high. When people come over here, they pay a certain price and they want it all. The air conditioning is always on. I mean, everything you can think of, it's on. My bill went from like $200 to like $600, $700, even more sometimes during the summer months when it's usually the most busy and when I'm usually booked like every single day. I decided to actually look into solar. Turns out that basically it was gonna cost me about 4 to 5 years, 6 years max, to pay it off, and then everything after that was going to basically be free. So after doing a little research, obviously I wanted to choose the best price and the best service. I found a company called GHS. I contacted them. They were very responsive. They came, we talked about everything, and I decided to go with them. The price was very good. The service was excellent. And now the real thing was, okay, let's see what my home utility bills are going to be. My first utility bill was $20, which was insane. From $600 to like $20. And basically the $20 was just the service charge they charge like, every month. But everything else was free. And even if I don't have customers at home, I feel pretty confident turning my air conditioning all the time, my lights. I don't have this like saving mentality anymore. Now it's like, I know it's free and it feels pretty good. So I'm very happy and very excited. Thank you GHS for my wonderful solar system. I couldn't be happier.